Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to show you Midjourney alternative. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. Yes, so we will be talking about Midjourney alternative today. Since we all know that using Midjourney, you will need a subscription plan so that you'll be able to generate stunning AI images like these ones here. But here's an alternative. This is called Lexica.com, where you can actually create images like these examples here on their homepage, where you can still generate creative or out of this world images even without subscription to Leonardo or Midjourney rather. So here you can go to lexica.art and you can browse into these images, and then you can click on one of them if you want to copy or use the prompt, and you can actually get started with any email address you have, or you can use your Google account for this. So for example, I'll use this succulent here as one of my inspirations for the image. So what I can do is I can actually use the prompt here, and then I will just add a few details that I want to include. So for example, I want this image underwater, or if you want it glowing, you can definitely do so as well. Here on this part here where the text are shown, that's actually where you can write the prompt. So comparing this to Midjourney, you will actually need to type in um, /image and then you type in the prompt. But here you can just simply directly um, type in the prompt in this box, and you can also have a negative prompt as well if you want a few details to be excluded into the prompt that will be generated. Here on the left side or right side panel of the screen, you'll be able to adjust the dimensions as well. And here, for example, we will write another image or create another image where it's a cactus underwater, glowing, alluring. So you can actually use adjectives here so that you'll be able to create stunning images. So for example, this image is not very detailed on our end. So what we can do is we can actually add words like extremely detailed or hyper realistic image. And you can also add a lighting as well. So let's say studio lighting or cinematic lighting, you can definitely incorporate that into your image. So you just need to wait for it to fully load for the image to generate for you. And you can see that it will definitely have a difference as well once you have created the image. Here you just need to wait for it to fully generate. And there you have it. As you can see, comparing this image to the previous generation or image that we generated, this is more detailed comparing to the first image that we generated using the same prompt. And that's basically it. This is the Midjourney alternative, where you can definitely use this for free to any browser you have. And that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.